Ang kapal ng mukha! Bagagnawong i-evict na yan. Paalisin na sa bahay ni kuya yan. Diba? Huwag nyo nang i-save yan. Dahil nag-yes to shutdown yan. Ew! Oh my God. Iilan lamang po yan sa mga naging reactions, of course, ng mga netizens sa PBB housemates na dalawang housemates na ito, and yan po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Marlon Dabitag. So in my today's vlog, guys, is of course magbibigay tayo ng reaction, of course, sa, my God, not just one, but two housemates po na nag-yes to shutdown. Oh my God. Well, of course, nababasa ko sa Facebook, and of course, napapanood ko sa mga actually sa mga social media talaga, na may isang housemate na naglapandakan, ay how do you say it? Parang, my God, he's so proud daw talaga of saying yes to ABS-CBN shutdown para magtitiis lang daw siya manood sa GMA 7. And all of a sudden, nag-audition sa PBB and nakapasok. O diba? Ang swerte. Shiny all. Diba? Sa dami-dami talagang nag-audition, sila pa talaga yung mga maswerteng nakapasok talaga. So guys, ito na talaga, nagva-viral na siya, nagti-trending na siya sa Twitter, and pinag-uusapan na ng karamihan. Actually, nagfa-flood sa Facebook account ko, even sa my Twitter account ko. O di ba nakakatawa talaga. So, napakatindi ng reactions, napakatindi ng emotions talaga. So, kanina, habang nagsaswipe ako sa aking Facebook, I saw the episode last night of PBB, and I saw talaga Robby Domingo talaga na he was really in an intense emotion talaga, and hindi naman natin maikakaila yun because Robby Domingo is an employee, a star of ABS-CBN, and you know, he was affected as well with the ABS-CBN rejection of franchise renewal. So, sabi niya talaga, ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya nung finocus niya yung ABS-CBN logo na this is not just our mantra. This is our mantra. This is our life. I guess Robby Domingo is speaking not only for himself, but he is actually speaking for all the employees out there. Alam mo naman, aminin na natin talaga, marami talaga sa mga kapamilya, mga workers na nawalan ng trabaho, although ang iba is nakahanap ng ibang trabaho, but majority of them maybe are actually doesn't have a work. So, of course, napakasakit yan. And aside from the fact that they are very limited when it comes to showing their shows, no? Kaya naman sa iba't ibang platform sila, digital platform sila ngayon nag-show. So for Robby talaga, I understand his pain, I understand his emotions, I understand his side talaga. Kasi kung ako lang naman din talaga, ganun din talaga yung magiging reaction ko rin talaga. And in tonight's episode, I can feel pa rin. I can feel pa rin the emotion of Robby. And he was actually refraining himself not to say bad comments, kasi parang sabi niya, no, he's going to be civilized na when it comes to commenting naman. So, isa din talaga sa comment doon niya na sinabi talaga na parang ginamit niya din yung naging pahayag, no? Sino ba tong tinutukoy natin? Of course, Rosso. PBB Rosso of General Santos City. Alam mo, yes, yung sinabi niya talaga na we can forgive, but we can never forget. Totoo naman talaga yan, no? It sounds cliche, but it's really, really true. My God. Madaling magpatawad, pero mahirap talagang makalimot. So, sino nga tong tinutukoy natin, guys, no? Si PBB Rosso. And, of course, no, it is not just one, but there are two housemates na nakapasok na nagsabing, yes! O diba, napakaswerte nila, siya ni Oil, no? Napakaswerte nila sa daming-daming nag-audition. Sila pa talaga yung mga nakapasok doon. Ako nga gusto kong mag-audition, hindi ko naman. Ayan, so in tonight's episode talaga, parang aside sa nakafocus sa 2021, alam mo, napakatalino talaga ni Kuan, ni Big Brother talaga. Parang lahat ng mga pangyayari noong 2020, parang yan yung nag-udyok kay Rosso talaga na magsabi. Parang na-feel ko yung guilt niya talaga. Yung guilty feeling na nararamdaman ni Rosso talaga. Parang hindi siya mapakali talaga. But I was kind of kasi yung purpose, feeling ko yung purpose ng pagsusulat, nung ano ba yung gusto nilang ihingi ng tawad, yung parang pinagsisihan nila, feeling ko that was also a sign or a way of, one way of kuya na sabihin ni Rosso in front of the housemates na pinagsisihan niya yung sinabi niyang mag-yes to shutdown siya. Parang nadismaya lang ako kasi hindi niya nasabi yun. Parang, well, actually, was more focused on personal issues such as, ayaw niya na mag-boxing. So, yun. So, pero, dahil nga sa guilt feeling niya, sinabi na niya sa mga housemates niya, and ganun tayo di ba? Kapag hindi tayo mapakali talaga, ganun tayo. And, na-shock ako na mag-share, of course, na mag-share si Rosso. And Chrismar, my God, PBB Chrismar of Palawan, talaga. Nag-yes to shutdown din siya. My God. So, I can feel din naman, at least, no, I can feel naman din the pagsisisi of Chrismar talaga when he was in the confession room. Ganon. As for Russo naman, parang he was so defensive at all, but parang lahat may mga dahilan kung bakit nasabi niya yun. Diba? Parang ganun tayo naghahanap tayo ng excuse para makahanap ng lusot. Diba? Pero, at least naman, what is so important is pinagsisihan niya. And I just hope pinagsisihan talaga niya and Chrismar talaga. No? Kasi, alam ko, grabe yung mga, kapag lalabas sila, mafe-feel nila yung parang, maisi-stress talaga sila sa dami ng mga comments and of course sa mga reaction na of course madidinig nila outside world. Dito nga nagkakagulo na, nagtitrending na sa Twitter, nagtitrending na sa Facebook, my God, sa lahat halos ng social media. Yan, and nakakatawa kasi gustong i-out, of course, evict si Russo, and unexpectedly, Chrismar also is saying yes to ABS-CBN shutdown. So, nakakatawa kasi ang daming comments na nagsasabing, my God, sila na lang dalawa yung i-evict, no? Well, actually, and as for Kuya naman, sabi nga ni Bianca, parang ang sakit-sakit, lalong-lalo na sa lahat ng mga employees na nasa loob ng yung parang monitor, yung confession room, parang sa loob ng studio, na maramdaman na itong dalawang ito, nag-yes to shutdown talaga. And these are the lessons that I have learned also. Kasi sabi nila, very limited yung media, very limited yung informations nila. Kasi what they hear and what they see daw kuno is, doon sa social media is halos pro yes to ABS-CBN shutdown. Parang hindi sila nagfa-fact check. So, most importantly talaga, as a teacher, gusto ko talagang ifa-fact check yun para sa mga estudyante natin, para alam nila ano ba talaga yung totoo talaga. And, kay Rosso naman at kay Chrismar, congratulations. Grabe, congratulations. Kasi, parang, it takes a man to accept talaga his faults, no, yung pagkakamali niya talaga, and knowingly, everyone can see it worldwide, not just in the Philippines, makikita yun talaga. So alam ko expected na rin nila na mababash talaga sila ng mga kapamilya viewers talaga, di ba? So siguro ito rin talaga. Pangalawa is, aside sa fact-checking, pangalawa talaga is, sabi nga ni Pia, di ba, our Miss Universe, nang nagpanalo sa kanya sa Miss Universe Philippines is, think before you click talaga. No? Think before you click talaga. Pag-isipan natin bago tayo mag-post talaga. Kasi maaring yung post natin talaga, maaring maka-apekto, maka-impluensya ng nakakarami talaga. And for Rosso and for Chrismar, I guess these are the consequences also that they have made from the past, no? Kaya lahat ng mga actions natin na ginagawa natin ay may mga kaakibat talaga ng mga consequences talaga, diba? So sana, I just hope that, like Kuya naman, no, they are given the opportunities to show themselves in front of so many, to defend themselves actually. Sana mabigyan siya ng pagkakataon na ma-accept pa din, no, ng mga nakakarami talaga. And to all the kapamilya viewers, my God, you are all talaga the life, no, of ABS-CBN. Kasi kung wala kayo, wala din talagang ABS-CBN. Sabi nga sino yung nagsabi doon, nakalimutan ko yung babaeng yun, yung Inglesera, na ABS-CBN has been a part of the Filipino culture. Yun talaga. And ito din before I end this reaction video, I love also Bianca Gonzalez statement na yun yung ikinaganda sa PBB. Hindi lang tinatanggap yung mga pro ABS-CBN talaga. Hindi lang yung tinatanggap. Kung hindi tinanggap, maski anti-ABS-CBN. Mapa-DDS man yan or hindi mapa-DDS man yan, talagang tinanggap. Kasi yung mantra naman ng ABS-CBN is in the service of the Filipino. Hindi naman in the service of the kapamilya viewers, di ba? So, guys, bukas na po talaga yung PBB eviction. So, I just hope na, sabi nga ni Robby Domingo, let us vote according to our conscience, na hindi nagawa. So, my God, sino bang hindi nakagawa noon? My God! Ayoko magsabi. Yes, so sana, no, to all the televiewers out there, to all the PBB fans out there, let us vote according to our conscience, not because everyone is dictating us, because others are dictating us, no? Kung sa tingin natin kailangan i-save si Rosso or si Chrismar or kahit sino pang PBB housemates, i-save natin. If we think naman that I guess tama na i-show na nila, 'di ba? Na ipakita na nila na defend na nila yung sarili nila, and then that's a time siguro na yun. So it's up to you all, guys, no? And it's up to all of you talaga. So, Toroso, my God, ang gwapo mo. To Christmas. Ayan, guys. So, if you like my video reaction, please don't forget to like. And of course, don't forget also to comment. Pwede kayo mag-comment sa baba. Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan, my God, mag-comment din kayo. At least, I am aware also. And, para ma-filter din natin lahat ng mga, mas maganda walang filter kasi you have learned from that, no? So, and of course, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, Marlon Labitag. So, thank you all. I love you. Mwah.